My hair was never an option. It was a target. At this point, you walk past a mirror and catch a glimpse of the person you've become since lunch.
It's gonna sink.
Mamo.
Зачем ты тапки одел? Тебя чего просили сделать? Принести их, Дэнь, не надевать.
Stop licking your penis. Pickle. Disgust.
Every time she thinks she has her life in balance, the universe sends in 4 more penguins to scream at the scale.
Number 9, 4.6.
Cat is clearly reconsidering every life choice that led to becoming a literal. You're late for your shift at the birdseed factory, but you still haven't mastered the art of the kickstand.
아무도 안 무서워해. 어떡해.
Cal is clearly the foreman on this job site, and he is not impressed with your parking job or your productivity. Good luck explaining this one to the insurance company. Would you like me to try another version with a more sarcastic tone?
You can't do this. Stop it! No!
The moment you realize you are not the only one in this house who thinks it is watermelon season. He is closing the distance faster than my diet plans disappear on a Friday night. I am about 2 seconds away from losing a finger or a fruit.
What you doing in there?
You try to close your laptop for the day, but your supervisor says we need to...
Come on, Loki. Don't come inside. Look, come inside. Okay. He's coming inside. Okay.
No.
What?
No. Huh?
You are trying to take a nap, but the snacks keep talking back.
When dad pets? When mom pets?
You have a spider on the ceiling, but you also have a tactical long-range surface-to-air interceptor.
Going.
Your buddy knows exactly where the itch is, and the customer service at 7-Eleven is finally top tier. Would you like me to write a few more options with a different...
Kimchi.
Thank you! Thank you, Mia.
We wish you a merry. We wish you a merry. We wish you a merry.
Your orange cat's soul leaves his body during a nap, and he has to spend the rest of the afternoon trying to find where he left it. I was really feeling the main character energy until the jump scare happened, and now I am reconsidering my life choices from the safety of the hallway.
It's all right. Yeah. Is it good like that? Is it good? Yeah.
Try to give your orange cat some affection, but he chooses to maintain his one shared brain cell in peace.
Все, вы все пообщались? Зо. Лаки, пиздец. Все нормально? Идем.
Branch manager takes their job way too seriously. You Forget how to cat and accidentally hit the eject button mid-snack. Just another day of being a professional clumsy critter. Would you like me to come up with some hashtags for this video?
Order, please. Order,
See a stranger in the mirror and decide it is on site until you realize he is actually kind of handsome.
Oh, no. James, no. No. No.
Масажист. Така любов. Лис.
Okay. Okay.
Trying to be a refined indoor cat, but the zoom eyes hit mid-business and now you're just a fuzzy tumbleweed in the hallway.
What in the world are y'all doing in the tree?
Trying to look at the menu without my glasses while everyone... You tell your mom you were old enough to walk by yourself, but she still treats you like you were 5 minutes old.
Oh, beautiful, Quita.
Your human thinks they can leave without you, but you have already mastered the art of Grand Theft Kitty.
Ну и как вставать по утрам, когда у тебя 2 собаки?
Ultimate purebred. Ready to loaf around until the snacks come out.
Huh?